separated from the surrounding hustle and bustle. The amethyst tree in front of the Qin Ling bamboo carving studio excludes a sense of tranquility and comfort. Walking on the stone slabs and passing through the tea room, we come to the workshop where Qin Ling carves his bamboo works every day. A dazzling array of bamboo carving catches our eyes. Various carving tools are stacked on the old workbench. Some unfinished bamboo carvings and raw materials are put aside. The polished bamboo slices reflect the light of incandescent lamps. When we pick up one of the bamboo slices, it is dark red and glossy, with a simple and primitive texture.
老梅竹这个材质它是经过几十年的熏烤然后你出来之后，它的颜色就会不一样，有红咖啡色还有这个深黑色红黑都有。
Qin Ling tells us that the old smoked bamboo is originally used as a building material, and it becomes dilapidated as time goes by. Therefore, when it is used as a carving material, certain skills and ingenious designs are required to cover up the wear and tear of bamboo.
它的题材它有讲究，刻的莲蓬荷花类的梅花这些梅兰竹菊这些它的和传统的这种题材都有一定的关联的，它也和这种我们传统的审美它有一定的联系，所以说他们的接受度就比较好的。然后再结合，比如说刚才我说的，你要去把这个伤残掩盖了，比如说你刻竹子的时候掩盖不了，那你就换成梅花梅花掩盖不了就换成荷花。
Washing, cutting, polishing, designing, sculpting, this is how a bamboo carving is made. Creation relies on thoughts, while sculpture relies on craftsmanship. Old smoked bamboo is harder than fresh bamboo, and it is more difficult to carve directly on the bamboo surface.
技法首先你就要熟练，刀一定要磨得锋利，因为这个竹子它太硬了，你磨不锋利的话，它就没有那个效果。所以说你考虑更多的是你的刀法的运用，然后你的这个设计的题材上面，你怎么去结合，能把你这种刀法运用得很好。
In his workshop, Qin Ling shows us his exquisite bamboo carving skills. He first picks up a paintbrush and skillfully sketches the outline on the bamboo slice. Then he grabs the carving tool and moves it across the surface of the bamboo, creating many shavings. In a short while, a dragonfly, a lotus leaf, and 2 dry lotus pods showed up. In traditional Chinese culture, bamboo represents integrity, tenacity, and modesty, which are the good qualities pursued by literati of all ages. Do you want to own such an exquisite bamboo carving?